Hello everyone, I am Arun Agarwal, founder of Janitri Innovation from India. We are working with a vision to see a world where no mother and newborn dies during pregnancy, delivery and post-delivery. More than 250,000 mother and 2 million newborn dies during intrapartum period globally, where more than 99% of these deaths occur in developing countries like India, Africa, Southern East Asia. During the labor phase, the fetal heart rate and uterine contraction, these are two important parameters to get to know the status of both mother and fetus. But unfortunately, more than 85% of the time, these parameters get monitored inaccurately or ignored, hence leads to morbidity or mortality. And this has a lot of reason. One reason is the unavailability of the products in these hospital. Another reason is the skill of the staff nurse. Third reason is the interpretation. So the existing device available in market called cardiotocography, which is not affordable, comes to around $3,000, not portable, not easy to use by the low skilled healthcare worker, and cannot be interpreted. Required a gynecologist to interpret those graphs. Based on these validation with all the stakeholders, staff nurse, patient and OBGYN, we have started working on this product. So we have developed a product which is a patch, a small patch which can be placed on the abdomen of a pregnant woman, can monitor fetal heart rate and uterine contraction continuously and gives alert if there is something wrong. So it's affordable, it's easy to use, it's portable, the woman can have a walk while having this continuous monitoring. So this is a new innovation which we have developing. There are a lot of pilots which we are doing in India. Thank you.